Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share with you 6 style elements that can instantly elevate our look. The first element that we usually tend to forget about would be to add a belt. Belts don't have just the purpose to hold our pants, okay? Belts are also there just to add an elevated touch to our look. So for example, if you're wearing a blazer, you can pop on a belt, you can cinch your waist with some sort of a statement belt. Something like that is going to make you appear so much more elevated, so much more put together. But of course, don't forget that you can also add a belt on a shirt. This is one of the ways that I've been loving to do really as of recently. I have a lot of these a little bit longer oversized shirts, and what I love to do and how I love to style them is just by adding a belt. Something like that looks absolutely flawless. But of course, if you have any of the wrapped dresses, you can take the belt that comes with the wrapped dress and add any statement belt that you like. So yeah, don't forget to add a belt. There are just so many ways how a belt can instantly elevate your look. Or for example, if you're wearing a coat, don't forget that you can also add a belt on your coat. Again, easy way to elevate your look. Another way to instantly elevate a look would be if you invest in a good pair of shoes. I have these boots that I bought like now almost close to 2 years ago. These are really beautiful boots from Mango. They're pointed toe, have this really elegant heel, and I absolutely adore this tone. It's like a brown tone that can perfectly go with anything that I have in my wardrobe. They costed around 200 euros. So yeah, it is definitely worth to invest and to save for some sort of a good pair of shoes that you know you're going to keep on wearing for years and years to come. And when it comes to these boots, I went after these tones simply because I know it can look absolutely beautiful with whites, with cream tones, with black tones, with brown tones, of course. So yeah, I just love these boots because even if I'm wearing everything basic, these sort of boots, some really good pair of boots can instantly elevate your look. So don't underestimate the power of good shoes simply because they are just like a finishing touch to your look, and they can instantly make you appear so much more put together and so much more elevated. Go after monochromatic tones would be my next style tip that can instantly elevate our look. Honestly, if you're having one of those days when you're waking up not knowing what to wear, or even if you're feeling lazy, and we do have those days when you're just being lazy to get dressed or to look put together, always go after monochromatic. It's really incredible how wearing everything monochromatic from head to toe can elevate your look and make you appear so seamless, so elegant and classy. So for example, even if you're wearing everything black from head to toe, or if you're wearing cream, brown tones, like pink tones, if you have everything pink from head to toe, you will see just how seamless and beautiful you are going to appear. So, and you wouldn't even have to think a lot. Like, it's not a brainer to wear everything monochromatic from head to toe. And if you accessorize it on top of it, you will see your mood is just going to brighten up instantly. So yeah, wearing monochromatic is definitely one of those style tricks that can instantly elevate your look, and yeah, keep it as your tip number 1 for those days when you don't know what to wear, you're lazy, whatever the reason is. Go after monochromatic, it's gonna make your day. Add a contrast to your look, or add some unexpected touch to your style. So for example, I have this H&M skirt. This is really fancy and cute, elegant skirt. It has these really gorgeous silver or like diamond statement buttons. But how I like to style it, and actually it's one of my favorite ways to style this skirt, would be with this oversized. This is actually my father's old shirt that I really love to wear. So you can see I'm wearing men's shirt and this fancy skirt. Like, it's actually so beautiful, but yeah, it actually adds something unexpected to this look. I love the contrast of oversized shirt and this fancy skirt. It just makes this look appear so beautiful, elegant, but it is a little bit toned down. This shirt absolutely tones this skirt a little bit and makes it appropriate for every day. Or for example, in this case, I'm wearing these high-waisted leather trousers, and then on top I went after this really tender and elegant white blouse. As this blouse has that elegant touch to it, these leather trousers appear more edgy. So yeah, again you can see a contrast in this look as well. So this is something that I love to do, to mix different style elements, and something like that is just going to create and elevate your look and make it appear a little bit more stand out. Don't forget to add jewelry. This would be my next tip. I honestly have to say that I am someone who have been neglecting jewelry for quite some time, and I decided to put an end to it. Whether you decide to go after more statement jewelry pieces or dainty jewelry pieces, they are going to elevate your look in such a beautiful, elegant manner. I love just how big of a change they bring to the look, even though you are not thinking about it. Like for example, now I'm wearing this really simple, like basic sweater with a turtleneck. It's just a staple basic piece, but I added these a little bit more statement earrings, and I honestly just love how they in a way elevated this really simple sweater. Even if you're wearing everything basic from head to toe, if you for example just add some sort of a little bit more chunkier necklace, that is just like that going to elevate your look. Or you can also opt after more daintier earrings. It all comes down to what you prefer, what's your style preference, either more dainty or more like standout jewelry pieces, but nevertheless they are going to elevate your look and make it appear just so effortless. What is also really interesting to do is, for example, to stack a different pair of necklaces. So there are so many different ways how a jewelry pieces can elevate a really simple basic look. So yeah, don't forget the importance of jewelry pieces. I know sometimes I was thinking like if I add some sort of statement earrings, I might appear like I am trying to look more put together, but no, like don't think that way. Just if you like how some earrings look on you, then wear them even on a daily basis. Don't just think like, oh, maybe you're too overdressed. You can never be too overdressed, okay? So yeah, don't forget about jewelry. Add staple pieces over trendy pieces. This is not a trick or anything similar. It's just my message to all of you to invest in good staple pieces. But honestly, just like I'm doing, I'm not investing just huge amount of money in my staple pieces. I'm usually acquiring staple pieces from either Zara or H&M. I believe in these two stores you can acquire best affordable staple pieces that can last you for years and years to come. And honestly, yeah, these staple pieces, if you just accessorize them, if you style them in a cool looking way, can honestly serve you for so many years. And yeah, you're gonna keep on waking up every day having a staple pieces that you can easily style together, unlike trendy pieces who are there just to like add the fun and the interest to our wardrobe, but just for a short amount of time. But you will notice how after some time you won't even know what to do with those trendy pieces because they might feel outdated, unlike the staple pieces that are always in. So yeah, that would be my final tip: to always look elevated. You need to invest in those staple pieces because they're just gonna provide you with the core pieces that can serve you for days and days. So yeah girls, these will be one of the most important and core style elements that I believe can instantly elevate a look. And yeah, these are just the style elements that I live by simply because I believe they're really crucial to our everyday styling. And yeah, I know they can elevate my look, so I hope they can also elevate your look as well. I mean, I don't even doubt that. So yeah, that will be it in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this one. Have a nice day, and I see you in my next one. Bye!